What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars, and welcome back to Dollasmenu. How y'all feeling today? We're coming back with another Crockpot Chronicles, as you know. So today we're gonna make a little pulled barbecue chicken. This recipe is really hearty. I found it online and I loved it. Now everybody knows Raina doesn't cook like that. I'm just a little spoiled. It's not that I can't, I just don't have the patience. So 4 ingredients: barbecue sauce, French onion soup mix. We just seasoned our chicken up with some, I did like a sriracha rub and basically just pepper and salt, maybe some seasoning salt. And then I just tried to lay my chicken as flat as possible. And I also took the time to cut my chicken almost in like a slice pattern, like all across and cut across, so it'll be easier when I pull it in the end. This French onion soup mix, I never really bought a soup mix, so to me this was like, I don't know, new. And it smells really good. And I'm like, I could already see how that's gonna do what it do with the barbecue. Toss in your onions as well. I tried to spread them out, get some of that seasoning on top of my onions. And everybody knows, any barbecue recipe, I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. It's just that sauce, man. It's really just that sauce. Prep time, just about 20 minutes, and we're looking here. I'm either doing 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low. I chose 8 hours on low because I actually made this at night for it to be ready early in the morning as like lunch. So it's the next morning, the food is done. I'm just gonna cut my crock pot off. I had already stopped it earlier and put it on warm just for it to sit until I was ready to eat. So here you'll see me just checking the chicken out for the first time. And it was chicken breast, but it was essentially falling off the bone. It was falling off itself. So the pulling part was really easy. And you'll see me here, I really just took a knife, and at that point, I was basically just pulling it apart with that fork, and it was falling apart. So good. And for some reason, I've been craving pulled pork, but this like satisfied that craving for me. Now be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to Dollasmenu. I'm on the road to 200. I'm right there. Get me there. Thank you. And yeah, thanks for watching Dollasmenu. So it's the next day. This took about 8 hours to cook. That's just barbecue chicken, pulled barbecue chicken. Delicious. So I don't have a bun, y'all. We use a regular bread. That's how we do. I'm just gonna pop some on, and I already got reviews. I heard it's good, and you saw me try some on camera. It actually is delicious. It's really hearty. The only thing I would say is, for me, it could maybe be like sweetened if you want to throw some brown sugar or just regular sugar, you know, but that's completely up to you, of course. But honestly, it's good as is. And I'm gonna take mine one step further. The recipe calls for cheddar cheese, or you don't necessarily put cheese in the crock pot. Once the barbecue chicken done, you can do whatever with this. You can do this with regular chicken, but I'm gonna take some shredded pepper jack cheese and throw it on top. Hold on. Yes, and so I'm back, y'all. Like, I love the crock pot. I bought a bunch of stuff, so I might make some steak fajitas. I want to go ahead and try to make a chili. I want to make stuffed peppers. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Comment down below right now some stuff y'all like to make. I'm not a cooker, as we say, so Crockpot Chronicles, let's try it. Her is good, like a sloppy joe.
love some clove sandwich. Yeah, I'm telling you. Okay. Make this. Make this. This easy. Easy.